Today, the Tacoma gets a new shift knob. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. I've got a super short video for you guys today, and quite possibly the shortest install video I'm ever going to do on this YouTube channel. Also quite possibly one of my favorite mods so far, and that's the TRD PRO Shift Knob on my 2019 Tacoma. Now, I am expecting this to take a whole 30 seconds to a minute to install. Regardless, I'm super pumped on it. Now, the reason I wanted to go with this TRD PRO Shift Knob, my current knob is getting a little bit worn out, but more importantly, I just love the way this one looks with the red stitching, the red accents, the TRD logo right here up front, and then this shift knob is going to be a little bit larger than the OEM one. Also, as a reminder, I do have an automatic, but this is also available in the manuals. And no, this isn't going to add any performance to the truck, but it's going to make me feel good. So let's hop in the truck and get this bad boy installed. Alright, so as I mentioned, installation is super simple. All we need to do is grab this little collar underneath the shift knob, pull it down, unscrew the OEM shift knob, screw this bad boy on, put the collar back on, and just enjoy your new knob. So let's get it done real quick. Now, before I go through and pull this guy off, you guys can definitely see the difference in size here and how much better does this guy look. So again, first up, let's pull this little collar down. We just pull it down. Screw it off. Screw it on, throw the collar back on, and boom, there we go. How good does that look? Again, huge difference. And there we have it. As I mentioned earlier, it's one of the quickest installs I've ever done on the truck. I mean, it took me a whole 35 seconds, but I will say that it completely transformed the interior of the truck. And I must say, it quite possibly is one of my favorite mods I've done so far. I mean, the cost of it is what, like $110, $115, and I just couldn't get myself to buy me one of these for, you know, the longest time now, but I'm so glad I did. And I feel like, you know, little like bits and pieces like this, because they don't add actually like functionality or performance, it's kind of hard for people to buy. I was this exact same way, but now that I have it, I'm like, I should have done this a really long time. You know, and I feel like, you know, if you guys and gals don't want to buy this for yourself, it's a great gift to recommend to your friends. As I mentioned, they do also have this for you guys with the manuals, even though mine is the automatic. And I do believe they make these for the 4Runners as well, except they are going to be a little bit different, with the 4Runner having a longer knob, to where us Tacoma drivers have the, I will say, thicker knobs. Anyway, with that being said, that's all the time I have for you guys today. I will start releasing more videos with the little other TRD bits and pieces. Probably here in the next few days, we'll just start bombarding you guys with all those videos. If you guys haven't already, make sure to drop me a like below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see ya.